Okay, so today I wanted to get a quick video on one of the simple dishes that I like to make. I've showed it in my stories a few times and I got a few questions. This one is like a vegan version of ginger chicken. It's kind of like a healthier take and a cheaper take on the takeout version. Let me know down in the comments if there's any other things like on my Instagram that you want me to make a video of, because I'd be happy to do that. Okay, let's go. Well, hello, Mona. You were photobombing me, weren't you? Hello. Is it because you're hungry too? Should we feed you? Should we feed you, Mona? Oh, you too. Hello. All the animals are here. Oh, and then we've got Toby. Hello. Hi, Toby. How are you, bud? Oh, look at you. I can't focus on your face, but you're so cute. Oh, yes, there you go. Yes. Okay, I'll get you guys fed first and then we'll start cooking. A little bit of mushrooms, peppers. I'm gonna use this vegan ginger chicken bliss. It's been like really good. I've tried a few of the Happy Veggie World items and they've been good, and it has like a little bit of sauce in it. Decent ingredients too, it's not bad. And then I'm gonna add some enoki mushrooms as well, and some frozen broccoli, and a little bit of like a veggie blend just to make it quick. And then I've got in the microwave some rice, just jasmine rice. Normally I cook like a long grain brown rice, but today I've decided I want to cook the jasmine rice just because it's a little bit quicker and I'm getting hungry. It's already like 12 o'clock. So what I did was I cut up the enoki and I just put in all the other stuff and I mix it around. This will kind of reduce and become soft, and you'll hardly notice the enoki at the end. They'll just be like little kind of like veggie strings in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add in the chicken now. Break it up and then add it in with all the veggies, and I let that cook for like about 5 minutes before I just serve it up on a plate. So that's what it looks like when it's done. They're all nice mixed together now, and our rice has like 40 seconds left, which is great. So just in time. And so like I've set out these 3 containers, and then I'm going to eat a portion right now, so it makes about 4 like decent sized portions, which is pretty good for like such a small bag of chicken. I think these ones were about $5 or $6, so it makes a decent amount. Takeout vegan food is so expensive, so this is a nice little alternative to feeding like a whole family. So like if you had a family of 4, it's gonna be like 4 nice sized portions for everyone to have like a nice plate of takeout. Now that our rice is done, take that out. See, I just have to fluff the rice. So I will put this down on the table. Okay, so normally I just kind of like take this and I fluff the rice a little bit. There we go. Kind of, oh, I'm in the light. Hard to see because I've got like shadows everywhere. I don't have my box lights out right now. But, okay. So I portioned these guys out with a half a cup of rice, just a half a cup there. And they look so good. They always look so good. Okay, so I brought the dish into the light a little bit so you can see it a bit better. It looks really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short little recipe. And if you want to see more videos like this, just let me know down below and I can maybe convert some of my like super simple dishes into videos so then you can see it. I normally am posting on Instagram, but I'd be happy to try out some YouTube videos when it comes to recipes. So I hope you like it, and bye!